Hi everybody, this is Pam with Jesus Junk Journals, and I'm going to show you the next thing that I'm going to do. And it is kind of different. I've had a lot of people who like my template kits a lot. So I decided that I'm going to take the last journal I made, which was that really crazy, this one, it has all the crazy folds and stuff. And I am going to put the templates out there as a kit. And there's a regular kit and an add-on kit, a main kit and an add-on kit. And what we're going to do is you can use it two ways. You can either take the template and put your own paper into the printer, your coffee stain paper, or maybe you have scrapbook paper that you've cut down to fit your printer. And you can print the template actually onto the paper and cut it out. Or you can cut these pieces out and use them like patterns and just draw around them. So what I'm going to do, we're going to work through this because it's very complicated. Yay. This last one was complicated. I don't know if you watched it or not, but I'm going to keep referring to this journal because this is what these templates came from. And that way we can see where each one is in the journal. So for instance, when we come to this panel, you'll know that that's your cover, more or less, even though it's part of this attachment. So that will help us to know what kind of artwork you want to put on it, hopefully. So, well, boy. So without further ado, so there's really nothing to show on this one. Usually I show you the artwork and things, but these are strictly just the templates. Just know that these produce this. And here's the add-on kit. And the add-on kit, there's 12 pages in one and 13 in the other. In the main kit, you get the basic journal. So not this, but just like, so these pieces here, these two wings are in the add-on kit because they're very complicated and have a lot of things going on. So the regular kit will give you the cover of this, and then it will give you the little journal that is detachable, and it will give you this detachable piece and this fold down piece. Let me move this over. I'm not sure you can see it, but this fold down piece and this. That's all in the main kit. And then in the add-on kit, we will do this piece, which has two back and front pieces, and then a 3-panel, actually, I think it's a 4-panel. Let me come over here. So it ties. So there's all of these crazy pieces. And so this, see how it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's a back side on all those. And then I'll show you how to incorporate all of that into your journal. So it's going to probably take me a little longer to get these out in the series on how to make it, because I need to think about it ahead of time so that when I explain it to you, I don't waste your time or my time and we get it done without being confused. So that's it. You'll get to use your own artwork and use all your scraps and things for your junk journals and just use my templates. So what I'm going to do, I kept these clean so that truly you could print them over your paper and cut them out. I took all the words off. But what I'm going to do for myself, and if you are going to use this as a pattern, you might want to do this too. I am going to write down page 1 on these pieces and cover and spine. I'm going to make notes because I'm going to draw around them And if I do decide to print some of them over some paper, I'll go downstairs and print that file on top of paper. So these I'm going to keep as references. And I'm also going to make sure I put main kit, because there's pages 1 through 12 on the main kit, and there's pages 1 through 13 on the add-on kit. And trust me, you do not want to get this confused. So I'm going to take some time and go through and write some notes to myself on these pieces so that I don't lose my way. And also so that, you know, if you want to make another one later, you know, it's fine to make the first one, but then when you go back, you want to be able to sort it out and maybe do, you know, 200 or 300 of them. So anyway, that is it. Not a lot to see yet because it's all going to be up to you. So it should be interesting and fun, and so I'm looking forward to it. And oh, thanks for watching the video, and I will see you soon, and we will get this thing started. Bye-bye.